Here's a 2016 Audi A3. This luxury compact sedan leaves you wanting for nothing. From impressive power to luxurious features to efficiency, this A3 does it all. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, leather bucket seats, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and auto shift manual transmission. Road and Track points out, inside the A3 sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. When you drive an Audi, the design and performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Take it for a test drive today.
Call, click, or stop into Napleton's Volkswagen of Orlando today. We're conveniently located at 12700 East Colonial Drive in sunny Orlando. We look forward to serving you.